In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE the second, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this phone. So firstly, you need to reach settings, then click on users and accounts, and as you can see currently we are logged in with Google, so smoothly mark it. And if you'd like to remove some particular account, click on it, tap on more and select remove account. Confirm it by tapping on remove account, and that's it. As you can see, it's no longer connected with this OnePlus. Whenever you'd like to add Google account, all you need to do is to click on add account, select Google as it's about Google account. Now you can use pattern or fingerprint to provide your personal ID and just confirm that you are the owner of this device, and now enter your email address. Click on next. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And here it is. So just tap on next. Here you need to go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, also privacy policy, and if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, click on I agree. And that's it. So it has been added. Now you can open it via users and accounts. Let's go to Google, and as you can see, here is your account. And that would be all. So you can add or remove Google account. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.